Hi guys, if you like the eye makeup on my eye, let's recreate on the other side. Firstly take a white eyeshadow, you can see this. Blend the eyeshadow on the eye. Now take a light brown eyeshadow on a fluffy brush and blend into the eye creases. Blend until it looks seamless. Now take any kajal pencil. Make sure this is not smudge proof. You can freely apply the kajal on the eyelids, no precision is needed. Anyways, we are going to smudge it and blend it into a smoky eye. In place of kajal, you can also apply a dark black eyeshadow. Now take a pencil brush and pick a dark brown eyeshadow like this and start smudging the eyeliner. Remember that smudging is all we need for a good perfect smoky eye. We need to blend all the harsh lines so that our smoky eye look effortless and very beautiful. This brown smoky eye is very versatile. You can carry this for literally every occasion. Now take another brush like this. You can see this kind of brush, and pick the light brown shade like this. Dust off the excess and start blending your eyes. If you want to learn only one eye look for your lifetime, this is the one. Brown smoky eye and a nude lip go along very well. Make sure the blending is nice. There's no harsh line on this. Now again take this fluffy brush and pick the light brown shade on this brush. Dust off the excess. Start blending in your crease very light-handedly. You can see this is a nice transition of colors. Take this pencil brush and pick the dark brown shade and intensify the liner you make. Now take a clean fluffy brush and blend everything very nicely. We take a nice kajal and put it in the waterline. You can definitely ignore my kajal applying skills. But actually this technique works really well for me. Now again for the waterline, we take a pencil brush and pick the dark brown shade and smudge the kajal under our waterline. Don't show this part of the video to your babies, they will be scared. But applying eyeshadows under the waterline is also very necessary for a good transition. Now we take a small fluffy brush like this and pick the light brown shade and smudge under the waterline. This part of the video is also a little bit scary, sorry for that. Now we take our mascara. Apply 2-3 coats of mascara on your eyes, on your eyelashes of course बोल के सारी गलती छुपा लो. To look beautiful, you have to make these आड़ा तिरछा face. This is mandatory for a good look. In the background, if you listen any howling sound, don't be scared. I swear there is no Ganchi Jurel in the house. She is my little puppy who make these kind of sounds. Actually, she also want to join me in my makeup session. She is also very fond of makeup just like me. The only difference is I like to apply it on my face and she wants to taste it. Here's the eyes. इसके बाद देख लो मेकअप करने की एक्टिंग कैसे करते हैं.